In this hands-on, we will normalize the customer table by extracting the wishlist columns data into a separate associative table that will link customer and the products they want to buy. So this is the customer tables wishlist column. So some customers have one product, some have two product names. So the data is not atomic and thus violates first normal form. So this will be our associative table, and it has a composite primary key, which is composed of two foreign keys. And so we have customer ID and product ID. The settings for both foreign key constraints are cascade, and thus when a customer or product is deleted, all corresponding wishlist entries are also deleted, which is usually what you want, but depending on the requirements, you might want to preserve the data even if a customer product is deleted. And for on update, I'm setting cascade, which will update the data if either customer ID changes or product ID changes. I also have a wishlist name column so that customers can group their products. So for example, all the book products would have a wishlist name equal to books. I also have added that column which will store the date and time when a given product was added. So essentially the associative table is like two lookup tables combined, but the direction of the foreign key constraints are opposite, because with the lookup table pattern we have some entity with foreign key constraints there, and the lookup table is the single source of truth, whereas here in the associative table, two tables that are referenced are a single source of truth. And because of foreign key constraints, any insertion of non-existing customer ID and product ID will be rejected by the RDBMS. So let's go ahead and create this table. So after the creation, we can populate the customer wishlist table with the data. And I'm using here cross apply to apply the string split function to each row of the customer table, and this will generate a new row for each element of the split string. And the string split function splits the wishlist column values into multiple rows, and the C here is an alias for the result of the string split function, and this allows access to individual split values. For the wishlist name column, here I will give a default name. Then after data migration, we can safely drop the old column from the customer table. And let's see the schema. So here we have product, customer wishlist, and here we have customer. So the customer wishlist table manages many-to-many relationship between products and the customers. Now let's see the data, refresh. So here we have IDs for the customers and the products they want to buy, and the wishlist name is the same for everyone. And since this is a new feature, I do not have any information when the product was added, so I set the current date in the added at field. And that's the end of this hands-on.